that the Indian Army has recently included are actually four-legged robots that look like dogs. They are designed to help soldiers in difficult hilly terrain and dangerous terrain. Their main strengths are to walk on dangerous terrain. These robots can easily walk on snow, mud and stairs at an altitude of more than 10,000 feet. Weightlifting. They can carry a weight of about 12 to 15 kilograms, such as ammunition, food or medicines. Armed with weapons, machine guns or small weapons can be installed if necessary, so that they can enter the targets or caves of terrorists and fight directly.